She won the hearts of many when she won the title of Miss Arunachal 2020. A beauty with brain, still winning our hearts with her grace and wit. We have the very adorable and beautiful, the reigning Miss Arunachal, Tokmam Nangu, with us here at the studio. So Tokmam, welcome to the Capital Digital Cable Network studio. आपको यहाँ मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Thank you so much for having me here.
So, ma'am, एक साल लगा, आपको चेस करने के लिए. Since our reigning Miss Arunachal is from Pasighat, we never get to see her often at Itanagar. So it took me days and months to get here in the studio. ये actually अभी formal होने ही वाली है because Miss Arunachal 2021 is around the corner. So since we finally have you here at this studio, ma'am, so kindly give us a long introduction about yourself.
Okay, so my name is Tokmam Mangu and then I'm from Pasighat. So अगर बहुत start से बोला जाएगा तो I can start off saying कि I was born at Mariang. And Mariang के बाद because my dad is like always being transferred ना, क्योंकि he is a government servant, तो हर जगह posting वगैरह रहता था, तो हम लोग भी बहुत सारा places वगैरह गया. So when I was in Dirang, so that's when I did my schooling. I was my first schooling was at VKV Jordan. फिर उसके बाद फिर से Pasighat, फिर Pasighat से I went to this Delhi, फिर Delhi से Bangalore, and then I came back here. And उसके बाद I happened to join Miss Luna, which was unexpectedly a very successful journey for me. जहाँ से I got the, like it was said that जो winner रहेगा वहाँ का Miss Luna का, so direct top 40 पे उसका like without audition direct entry रहेगा. तो फिर उसका prelims round खत्म हो गया. We had the whole prelims section done. फिर उसके बाद वहाँ से select हुआ and then yeah, the journey began as a contestant of Miss Arunachal. उसके बाद today I'm here. So नहीं, हम बिल्कुल नहीं सोचा था कि I'll be winning it. And yes, actually क्या हुआ था that particular day, like हम form वगैरह तो भर दिया था, but उसके बाद as I said, Luna का जो है वो जो winner था, वो जो सीधा top 40 के लिए selected था. तो what I did, मतलब वहाँ पे gathering चल रहा था, उसमें Rima ma'am was there, तो she was like sort of giving descriptions to everybody कि क्या क्या चल रहा है करके. I was extremely late and I was like rushing in. तो जैसे ही मैं हॉल के अंदर गया ना, I opened the door and there were like so many girls, like I can say 39 girls were there. तो they were like looking at me. जब होता है ना कि क्लास में सबसे लेट आप आया तो सबका चेहरा आपको दिख रहा है, तो that uncomfortable feeling was there and everybody was looking at you and I was like oh okay. फिर उसके बाद I just went and सबसे last जो seat बचा था I went there, वहीं पे I was like settled. and उसके बाद just जब like classes चल रहा था I was just looking at each and every girls, हाँ, तो observe कर रहा था because everybody is like contestants, right? तो सबको observe कर रहा था and everybody was like so beautiful and like so many colorful personalities and उसके बाद the way they were sitting, the postures and everything, everybody was there to like win. सब लोग उसी motive से आया हुआ था. But I was like just looking and it was like seemingly it was almost like impossible type से था कि ये लड़के लोग से हम compete करने वाला, But yeah, it was like at all मतलब बिल्कुल भी नहीं था कि हाँ हम जीत पाएगा मतलब ना ये लड़की लोग से ऐसा करके. So it was like बोल नहीं सकती हूँ कि like the feeling how it was.
It was overwhelming.
Yeah, it was so overwhelming. Yes.
So ma'am, the Miss Arunachal journey तो बहुत लंबा रहता है, audition से लेके grooming session से लेके and I personally feel कि आपके जो batch के जो pageant girls थे, I think everybody did very well and are still doing very good, है ना, आपने particular field में. So tell me, आपने दोस्त बनाए, like would you like to share with us?
I think वहाँ पे like I used to tell this पहले भी ना, जब वहाँ हम लोग को hostels पे रखा जाता है for 10 days, तो grooming होता है उस समय में. So मेरा first perspective जो था, because I used to be a person जो हमेशा अकेला रहता है ना, so I don't mingle up with people much, and especially girls, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि everybody is like नहीं girls ऐसा होता है, girls वैसा होता है, कच करता है, ये करता है, वो करता है, तो I always like stayed मतलब थोड़ा सा step back ना. तो क्या हुआ कि like इतना सारा 39 girls लोग, I mean like ये prelims round खत्म हो गया, उसका top 20s were selected, फिर top 20 के बाद अभी there are like 19 girls hostel में and I will be the 20th ना. तो I just entered and I was like अरे यार अभी क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, so many girls like इतना सारा anxiety filled up हो गया था कि like will I be able to cope up with each and everybody, will they be sweet to me. तो ये सब ambience बहुत matter करता है, the atmosphere and all. But surprisingly, it was like so nice. I mean, I made a lot of friends. And top 40 पे when I was there, when I entered late ना, तो particular day को I met one girl. Her name is Nami. She was super sweet. She made me break the ice, and then she made me comfortable actually at the first. And I keep mentioning her name because I'm really grateful that I met her. And Nami, if you're watching it, okay.
Shout out to Nami.
Yes. So yeah, उसके बाद I met this whole beautiful ladies. I mean, अगर नाम लेगा तो it will be unfair for like you know. मतलब ख़त्म ही नहीं होगा. It won't be unfair. Like नाम ख़त्म ही नहीं होगा. It was like all the 19 girls and the girls that I bonded. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा in a personal level were also there. And then I fell. मतलब बीमार भी हो गया था in middle of the hostel period. तो उसके बाद yes there was like एक sister है वहाँ पे. So she was very sweet and then she was like she took care of me absolutely like बहुत 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 ज़्यादा memories create किया and everybody is such a sweetheart and like the whole belief मेरा जो था कि like लड़की वैसा होता है जो भी मैंने बाहर से सुना it was all wrong and then it was proven in the hostel that कि girls हर कोई वैसा नहीं होता है and then there are girls like who are like क्या बोलते हैं उसको they are very easy to be with you know so you don't have to put extra energy and then extra vibes to क्या बोलते हैं उसको to get adjusted in the place or something like that. So I think the whole new generation is all about acceptance and ये proof मैंने देख लिया है hostel पे. So जैसे जैसे generation आगे बढ़ रहा है everybody is accepting everybody's flaws and जैसे personalities हैं वो उनको वैसे ही accept करते हैं and it was such an honorable moment to witness कि सारा girls इतना like till the end of the journey we stayed together with like so much of bonds and so much of love among us.
And you know, ma'am, we'll talk about the grand finale जहाँ आप जीत के आई थी ना और backstage जब मैं आपको बात कर रही थी I also told you I also witnessed the grand finale and I must say कि according to me personally you are the one of the most eloquent Miss Arunachal we have had so far.
Thank you.
And not just me बहुत सारे critics हैं जो ये event को देखते हैं pageant को देखते हैं and I'm sure they agree with me. तो आप मुझे बताइए कि how did you prepare yourself? Question and answer round जो बहुत important होता है कोई भी pageant पे है ना. So that is one of the most important, crucial deciding factor. तो when we saw you at the grand finale, कुछ भी extra नहीं, like I said, कुछ भी beat around the bush नहीं. So to the point, few words and such beautiful answers. Ma'am, how did you prepare for it? Tell us. Secret बताइए.
Okay. See, सबसे पहला बात I'll tell you कि we don't know कि क्या questions आने वाला है.
So how did you prepare?
So, I mean, preparation क्या होता है कि you just have to mentally be prepared. And सबसे पहले if any aspirants like अगर आप लोग देख रहे हैं मुझे यहाँ पे, तो I'll let you guys know एक चीज़ मैं बोलना चाहूँगी. Don't recite मतलब like क्या बोलते हैं उसको जो by heart करते हैं ना वैसा मत करो. What will happen अगर आपको गलत question मिल जाता है you'll be like आप panic हो जाओगे stage में because there are so many people, the lights and the music and people आपको पता है how they cheer ना मतलब कभी loudly tease करते हुए cheer करता है या कभी supportively cheer करता है so आप पता चल जाता है कि वो लोग का tease क्या मतलब वो cheer जो कौन सा vibes में आ रहा है so what happens आप panic हो जाते हो when you recite तो it's always मतलब मैं यही advice करूँगी कि आपका जो social understanding है तो वो आप अलर्ट हो जाओगी अच्छा ठीक है ये क्वेश्चन आएंगे तो आई हैव टू लाइक यू नो मतलब मेरा जो बेसिक नॉलेज है उसके बारे में आई जस्ट से दैट एंड ट्राई नॉट टू एक्सेजरेट द होल सेंटेंस क्योंकि आप जब सेंटेंस एक्सेजरेट करते हो यू विल गेट कंफ्यूज्ड एंड क्या होगा आप उसी में टैंगल हो जाओगे लाइक अ जलेबी बन जाएगा यस सो जलेबी बन जाएगा
खत्म ही नहीं होगा
या दैट्स द होल थिंग एंड नॉट दैट मतलब मैं अपना तारीफ लाइक बिल्कुल नहीं कर रही हूँ but then some people they have this instinct within themselves right so maybe I just have that like by God's grace so maybe I could answer it like एक क्या बोलते हैं instinctive and very क्या बोलते हैं spontaneously so मैं शायद इसीलिए बोल पाई so there was like nothing strategy about it like कुछ ऐसे preparation ऐसा कुछ नहीं है you just have to be mentally prepared and आपका जो once again जो social knowledge है उनको very basic points में आप break करके you just mention the answer
and we'll keep on talking about your journey in the pageant ma'am first of all I want to know I'm intrigued by your name मैं आपको social media page में follow करती हूँ और बहुत जगह पे मैंने देखा है कि you write your name as Tokmam Esther Mengu so बताइए कि Esther नाम कहाँ से आया do you use it
Yeah, I use it as in like in for a social platform. But then जब मैं form पे लिखती हूँ तो it's just Tokmam Mangu. So Tokmam is basically the ancestral जो भी like family से जो आया है, that's the name. And then Mangu is my dad's title obviously. And उसके बाद जो Esther है, so basically I go to a church which is Grace Covenant Church, पासीघाट पे है. So उसके pastor के through I received the name. So yeah, I have the name along with me. Like it's sort of like along with my culture, I take those religion as I believe it, na? So वो name को I tag along with myself. So it's Tokmam Esther Mangu.
And how do friends call you? Basically, your nickname?
So I prefer my friends to call me as Mum.
Okay.
Because I sometimes get a little sensitive when they pronounce my name wrong.
Mispronunciation.
You know, like, yes, exactly.
So on that note, kindly tell me what are the kinds of mispronunciation you get to hear?
Okay, it's very funny actually. So I get to hear Tokmen. So otherwise, a few of them will call me Tok, which I don't prefer at all. So which is like sort of annoying. And also not very convenient for me. So yeah, Mum is the perfect name to like just call.
So we address you as Mum, है ना?
Yes.
Mum का मतलब क्या है? Like what's the meaning of your name?
My name का मतलब it's a very long story actually. So because we live in a society which is very sort of एक patriarchal society पे हम रहते हैं जहाँ पे they have this misconception कि बेटा होना चाहिए घर पे, right? So मेरे घर पे my dad and mom they have 2 daughters. So it's my sister and so what happened actually, I have a very this bassful voice, right? So it said that actually when I was born, so the sound it almost sounded like a boy child. So when they saw the baby, it was like a girl. So क्या हुआ कि most of them they because like you know my mom is sort of थोड़ा what do you call it society का that proper nari which मतलब family का rules follow करते हैं sort of thing. तो my aunts and all they were like नहीं इसको Tokmam रख दो, which means actually कि ये बेटी नहीं होना चाहिए था, it has to be a son actually. So it sort of has a bad memory for me because it affects psychologically, right? तो वो चीज़ है, but yeah, my mom being a good housewife for that society, I mean उस समय के लिए, so I won't blame my mom at all. And yeah, so they gave me the name and it's with me forever. But again, along with that, I have a very good story to share with you guys. Ki I share a name tagged as Queen, but with the same name, which actually means to be born as a wrong gender. But I'm actually, with that name, ironically, I'm standing as a queen. So I think it had to happen, you know, so everything is like going by the grace of God.
Thanks so proud of you. And talking about your pageant directly, your entry into pageants, you know, were you always interested into getting into the pageant world?
Appearance that I have right now, I think even you can make it out that I wasn't a very pageantry type of a girl. But you know what happened, like, because my life was like really going in a very monotonous way when I came back from Bangalore. And I'm a person who loves to explore things, you know, like I don't want my life to be very subtle and like so boring and तो पता नहीं I just मतलब एक urge आया कि नहीं मुझे करना है like चलो देख के देखते हैं. My mom she started laughing. My mom वो हंस रही थी. She was saying that क्या कर रहे तुम लड़का है यार नहीं होगा छोड़ दो like you'll make our family like you know a laughing stock later on. But I was like mom आप just देखना like I may win, you never know, right? So that started as a joke. एक हम decision लिया without knowing the consequences, but I would really like to appreciate my younger self for taking that decision, like because उसको कुछ नहीं पता था, but she took that decision and like I think उसके वजह से एक जो एक platform जो मिला and the stage that I'm sharing right now with you, like this whole studio and all, and meeting so much of new people with so many different intellectual level, तो it would have never happened अगर ये नहीं होता तो. So yeah, तो जैसे लूना बन गया तो मिस अरुणाचल was like क्या बोलते हैं उसका टारगेट कि इसके बाद ये होगा and it was sort of clear. मिस अरुणाचल आते आते it became clear, but लूना जब कर रहा था it wasn't an intention actually.
And we also heard ma'am that आप बहुत tomboyish kind की लड़की थी, अभी भी है कि नहीं मुझे पता नहीं, so tell me something about it.
Okay.
हो, is it true?
Okay, you tell me first, like do you get any kind of एक aura ऐसा मिलता है कि I'm kind of tomboyish?
For me, honestly, when I see you, okay, you're very graceful, you're very well spoken,
Okay.
but I also see कि you know आपका you're very simple and you are you know, just a badass woman. So I feel
Thank
that
you.
हाँ कुछ बात तो है in a positive way though. तो maybe you are a little bit ऐसा है कि नहीं, आप मुझे बताइए अभी.
Tomboyish actually it's just a term, okay? People whoever is watching this, आप लोग को ये ना लगे कि tomboy से खराब term है, okay? तो term और tomboy जब बोलता है, it's just a personality कि आप क्योंकि see when I was brought up ना तो because we didn't have any son, but society में pressure मैंने देखा है family के ऊपर आते हुए कि अरे बेटा नहीं है, कुछ वो नहीं करता वो नहीं करता. I have seen my dad being sad, my mom being sad about it. तो क्या होता है ना कि धीरे धीरे साइकोलॉजिकली जब आपको इफेक्ट करता है तो यू टेंड टू एक्सेप्ट द लाइक कभी कभी आप चेंजेस ला देते हो अपने अंदर ना. तो मैं हमेशा ट्राई करती थी कि पापा अगर बेड़ा बना रहा है तो आई यूज टू गो देयर, आई विल बी लाइक ओके ठीक है पापा चलो आई विल आल्सो डू इट, आई विल टेक द दाव, कैप लगा लिया, एकदम टी शर्ट वगैरह पहन लिया. आई यूज टू डू दैट. एंड ये होते 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 लाइक थोड़ा सा खेती चला गया, लाइक यू नो ऑल द लाइक प्रॉपर डोमेस्टिक लाइफ जो चलता है. तो ये सब करते करते व्हाट हैपन एक आदत सा बन गया. सो दैट होल पर्सनालिटी इज स्टिल देयर. मेरा बॉडी जेस्चर वैसा हो गया, सो आई कांट चेंज इट लाइक जस्ट इन अ सेकेंड, राइट. तो ये रह जाएगा.
Okay, ma'am. Now I have this one or two very practical questions. You know, हमारे स्टेट में जैसे मैंने कहा within this I think 2-3 years बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं हमारे जो मिस अरुणाचल के जो विनर्स हैं या जो विनर्स भी नहीं है, they have been doing a very good work सोसाइटी में भी, सोशल सर्विस को लेके भी ना बहुत अच्छे काम कर रहे हैं. लेकिन मैं आपको पूछना चाहती हूँ कि there are certain segments in the society जो पेजेंट को नेगेटिव वे में देखते हैं, है ना. हैव यू कम अक्रॉस दोज काइंड ऑफ पीपल और दोज काइंड ऑफ क्रिटिक्स, और आपको उसके बारे में क्या कहना है?
Yes, I definitely had come across those kind of mentality, but at that moment I was like मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मेरा intellectuality जो है, जो मैंने इतना मेहनत किया है वहाँ पे, the whole process it's not easy, क्योंकि आपने आपको वहाँ पे रख के you are letting other people judge you. It's not an easy task. Because you know हम लोग already इतना insecure है, we don't have any energy to like you know let other people judge us. But then हम लोग का जो mentality हम लोग prepare करके वहाँ आता है, it starts right from the audition time and starts right from the time when we are filling up the form. उसमें कितना anxiety attack होता है, कितना क्या होता है, because we know the consequences कि क्या क्या होने वाला है, but still we do it, right? So ये सब prepare होके आता है, but I wasn't ready for that kind of reaction. But when this happened, I'm not lying. I was like मेरा जो intellectuality है, मेरा जो capabilities है, मेरा जो qualities है, उसके ऊपर question किया गया जैसा लगा है. So I honestly see the thing is जब एक टाइटल मिल जाता है, we are in अरुणाचल प्रदेश, right? Like let's not forget that. तो अरुणाचल में क्या है कि बाहर जैसे cities वगैरह है, जैसे मुंबई हो गया, दिल्ली हो गया, like जो भी metropolitan cities है, उस पे you have opportunities. वहाँ पे एडवर्टाइजमेंट इंडस्ट्री है, लाइक फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है, लाइक मैगजीन्स है, मॉडलिंग एजेंसी है, बहुत सारा चीज़ है. सो यू गेट सो मेनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज. बट अरुणाचल में देयर इज़ नो अपॉर्चुनिटीज एज सच. अगर यहाँ पे अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, आपको सिर्फ है कि सोशल एक्टिविटी कुछ कर सकता है, एंड दैट ऑल्सो इफ जेन्युइनली यू वांट टू पार्टिसिपेट. सो ये चीज़ रहता है. बट मैं यहाँ पे अपने आप को प्रूव करने के लिए आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव इनफ प्लेटफॉर्म आउट हियर, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. क्योंकि अरुणाचल प्रदेश है, आई डोंट सी लाइक पीपल कमिंग टू मी एंड बीइंग लाइक ओके ठीक है, आई हैव अ बेटर प्रोडक्टिव आइडिया, आई वांट टू यूटिलाइज इट, आई वांट टू यूटिलाइज योर इंटेलेक्चुअलिटी, चलो ठीक है लेट्स डू दिस. इट नेवर हैपेंस. तो यू नो लाइक कहीं ना कहीं ये जानते हुए भी कि दे हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव, आई कांट डिनाई दैट, बिकॉज कभी इसको ब्रेक करने का मुझे मौका ही नहीं मिला. I am right here, I am sitting here, I am a winner, I have possibilities, I have capabilities, I have potentials and every single thing. But I don't see people coming up and talking to me about a new idea which they can utilize me at, you know, like वो लोग मुझे वहाँ portray नहीं कर सकते. So I can't ना. तो मेरे साइड से जो I am trying to do like जैसे मैंने few कुछ किया हुआ है. So जैसे कि और लेट मीना मैम जो जिसका ये हो गया था, हादसा हो गया था या, तो वो सारा जो फ्लैशलाइट विजुअल था, from starting, from the day one, from the moment the idea had conceived in my mind, I ran alone. I was like running everywhere, every single places. I was like हर किसी को मिलना. It was like एक ऐसा भी instance था कि I was standing here and उसके बाद the person I wanted to meet, he was right there. But like it's not like 2 कदम का भी दूरी नहीं है. But I had to wait 2 hours. Just imagine. So कैसे possible है ये सारा चीज़, you know? तो एक अकेला बंदा like she wants to do something, she have this desperations of doing something, बट देन अगर सोसाइटी ही फेवर नहीं कर रहा है, सो व्हाई शुड आई टेक द ब्लेम, राइट? सो आई थिंक द सोसाइटी, द पीपल, दे ऑल्सो हैव टू बी more sensitive, and they have to be more realistic, and they also have to judge their own gereban सबसे पहले तो instead of like commenting on others कि क्या किया वो लोग दूसरा उसके लिए ना, so they can't just like क्या बोलते हैं उसको, finger point नहीं कर सकते, they have to do something. अगर नहीं कर पाया, instead अगर उसके बाद भी कुछ और हो रहा है, then you have the full rights to come and comment, otherwise you don't.
True that. And you know मैम, adding to that, ऐसा भी होता है कि जो आप especially बहुत सारे events होते हैं अरुणाचल में, लेकिन I feel कि I don't know, because again are we, is it because we are stereotyped as a woman, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा दिखाई देता है और लगता है कि जो हमारे मिस अरुणाचल्स हैं, जो भी बन चुके हैं और जो आप हो, you know, वॉच डॉग जो और critical हो जाते हैं, like unnecessary dragging you guys into all the controversies that happens around the state. कुछ protest हो जाते हैं तो where is Miss Arunachal, यहाँ पे कुछ problem है तो where is Miss Arunachal, है ना?
Yes, yes,
and there's a lot of cyber bullying also which goes around. So क्या आप उसको कैसे लेते हो? I know कि आप भी शिकार हुई होगी any form में, है ना?
Yes.
So what's your take on that?
So yeah, cyberbullying के बारे में I can say I have been bullied about my face, my looks, my appearance, my voice and everything. तो जो भी है, but you know उसको aside में रखते हुए I'm actually surprised कि so many positive comments that I'm getting, you know, like so many positive supports. Likewise you, आप यहाँ पे है, you have a feedback for me which actually motivates me more, you know. And then when I, like, as soon as I step out of this door, there are so many other people. If I open my Facebook, I don't know, instead of focusing on the negative one, I'm so focused at the positive ones, you know. Like, बहुत सारा लड़कियाँ ऐसे हैं जो they'll text me and they'll be like, okay, T, like, you inspire me because you're different, blah, 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 blah. फिर, like, बहुत सारा, like, उनका अपना कुछ ऐसा चीज़ है जो वो हमसे relate कर पाता है. And I'm glad to, like, you know, understand the fact that I'm actually giving them a hope. So, like breaking the stereotypical type this time, at least in 2020, I have to give a big applaud to the whole organization team, and Osimem was there. So I think I have to like give a whole credit to Miss Arunachal team for this 2020 what do you call this session. So it was like a breaking point. So as you have mentioned, कि हम लोग का जो stereotypical womanhood का एक thought है, so it has been broken, and I'm glad that I am the person who, like, you know, is been utilized as a tool to break the stereotypical type image, na, of the beauty queens. So ये हो गया because I had small hair, like short hair. फिर उसके बाद I had different voice, my body personality is different, the way I present myself, and like बहुत सारा चीज़ में. So it was like, so I think in that perspective, more of the audiences are connecting to me, thinking कि अच्छा ये भी हो सकता है. So I'm glad, and I'm just focusing on the positive side, and then they're being like super sweet, and I have so many brothers and like fellow, even the guys, whoever is following me and then sending me like lots of this क्या बोलते हैं उसको, positive messages. It's very surprising that like they're being very क्या बोलते हैं, positive about it and so supportive, and I don't know, I'm supremely thanks to God for the whole experience, and I'm just focusing on the positive. That is how I want to end this conversation.
So, ma'am, like before we wind up our conversation, you know, I also want to note that the crown of Miss Arunachal comes with lots of responsibility.
Yes.
It's the biggest beauty pageant of the state. It comes with a lot of grace, dignity, responsibility. So you also sort of become a public figure. So how has life changed, you know? As soon as you started, you became Miss Arunachal.
The life has changed in a very drastic way, to be very honest, because as I said before, like I wasn't a very social person, and social person भी आप छोड़ी दो, I was like literally हम अपना दोस्त like बस एक दो दोस्त ही है जिसके साथ I used to like just hang out ना, उसके बाद मेरा outside world है ही नहीं. तो it's been like along with the responsibility, I think so much of recognition has come to the plate, and उसके बाद क्या बोलते हैं, responsibilities तो है ही, and साथ ही साथ में the face, it became a value now, the name, it became a value now. So आप जब बाहर जाते हो ना, तो पहले जैसे I used to be like so chill and like very normally बाहर जा सकते थे, But now it's like somebody will text me, दी आपको देखा था वहाँ पे. But you wasn't like आप जैसे Instagram में अपने आप को present करते हो वैसे नहीं था. You were like very simple, but I like it sort of thing. तो ये सब आता रहता है. So it's kind of like set a pressure within myself कि अच्छा you have to always look good, you know. But then again I'm struggling and I'm fighting within myself saying कि ठीक है Miss Arunachal का अपना life है, but at the end of the day when the title is like I mean the ground when it's passed, again I have to lead a simple life, right? The life which I should be continuing later on. So I just prefer it to be very simple and I just carry that on. But then in terms of changes, yes, there has been a lot of change. The platform has given a huge name, a huge identity, and I think सबसे बड़ा बात what I'm like really happy for is the sense of pride that my mom and dad feels when people take my name and they be like अच्छा ठीक है चलो मेरा बेटी भी कुछ कर लिया at least like life में. So I think that's a sense of success that I love the most among every single thing.
So ma'am, you know during your reign of 1 year as Miss Arunachal, हमने देखा कि you were involved with many social projects and also events. So give us a gist of the you know some events or social service or any sort of thing which you were involved and which you really would like to mention here.
So I'll just mention like few because I couldn't do much to be very honest because
which
pandemic.
were close to your heart.
Pandemic की वजह से. So what happened? Personally, the thing which I did my like with my own willingness and the personal attachment is the candle vigil that happened in Pasighat because I had to personally run around because I genuinely wanted to pass on the message to the government that the fast track of this case has to be done. Because it's not just cool to like you know live the things like that because ये एक incident है जो आगे जाके एक और incident को जन्म दे सकता है, right? So people they take inspiration and motivation की दूसरा incident से लेके. So this is scary. So ये चीज़ को I wanted to do it. So I personally did it and then I made a team of 5. So I made a team of 5 and then we like successfully did it. And then the government had received and they have responded but they didn't respond it to me but then they have responded to the organization and then I'm really grateful for that. Also I have done here and there like few जब pandemic शुरू हुआ था so people need to understand that because I'm just in like you know I don't work actually I don't have any jobs or something like that, right? So I don't have that much of financial independence जिसके वजह से I'll do something very big, you know. So people also need to down a little bit of their expectations. तो उस terms में I just want to say कि जो pandemic जब शुरुआत हुआ था so because I do some sort of like documents वगैरह documentary वगैरह बनाता I'm a filmmaker by like just as a freelancer. तो I did earn a little bit like few amounts here and there. So क्या हुआ कि जैसे पैंडेमिक शुरू हो गया था आई पर्सनलाइज्ड दिस क्या बोलते हैं मास्क ना आई पर्सनलाइज्ड फ्यू मास्क एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग इट इन द मेडिकल सेक्शन फिर जो मिलिट्री कैंप था उस पर द पुलिस स्टेशंस एंड ये जो लाइक रास्ता वगैरह पे लाइक पीपल दे रोम अराउंड ना तो बिकॉज उस समय लॉकडाउन चल रहा था सो मी एंड ओनली 1 person ओके नॉट मोर क्योंकि वहाँ पे लाइक सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग वगैरह भी चल रहा था. So क्या हुआ तो I distributed mask like in every single places and उसके बाद also those frontliners जो like check post वगैरह पे जहाँ traffics वगैरह खड़ा होता है तो वहाँ पे सबको जाके I had distributed personally but which was not covered like news के लिए नहीं किया था so it wasn't covered yes so that happened. उसके बाद I have done like administration के साथ few campaigns awareness campaigns वगैरह किया फिर रेडियो में Itanagar का रेडियो स्टेशन एंड पासीघाट का सो आई हैव डन लाइक कोऑर्डिनेटेड विद देम एज वेल. उसके बाद yes I also am a brand ambassador of IFCRA.
Oh wow.
So we had मतलब I got the opportunity to represent the whole Arunachal in terms of like you know initiating a friendship between Ladakh and Arunachal. So yeah, IFCRA, thank you so much for the opportunity. And then the Department of Sports, I think यहाँ पे जो है, so they have supported us. So yes, I'm the brand ambassador for that. So yeah, I think those are the like close activities that I have done.
So wonderful, Tokman. Though you are not very active on social media, और आप अपने जो social service या अच्छे काम जो कर रहे हैं ऐसे highlight नहीं करते, लेकिन I think हमारे channel के माध्यम से I think people got to know the wonderful works that you have been doing, and we're so proud of you. And चलते चलते Tokman, you know, it must be very nostalgic for you. I think by the month of March, like you have told me, आपका range जो over होने वाला है.
Yes, yes.
Another beautiful girl, you know, who would be taking over the crown, but your legacy continues.
Yes.
So what are your future goals?
Almost, you know, that feeling ki, acha theek hai, I'll be like, abhi I'll be somebody past me, na? So that feeling is something, I don't know, it's emotional, at the same time a sense of accomplishment wala feeling bhi aata hai, but at the same time I don't know, ek hai ki former jo aa jata hai na name tag pe, so that is a little like, you know, thoda sensitive. That is very emotional. So I'm prepared, like I'm ready for it, and then because the whole thing has to carry on and it has to move on, right? So we can't stop a few things. So yeah, I'm just moving on with the life, and I'm really eagerly waiting for the successor. तो जो भी होगा, I'm really excited to see her. I hope like अभी जो audition चल रहा है यहाँ पे, तो capital audition भी होगा यहाँ पे, mega audition होने वाला है. So it will also happen. तो I just hope कि you know, somebody comes up, like they give the best, and जो भी जीते, they'll be like the deserving one. And yeah, I think I'll be like really happy for them, and also a responsibility कि I'm eager to take, कि I can guide them, you know, like they'll come to me, they'll ask me कि दी कैसा कैसा होता है, how it's done. तो ठीक है, I'll be like really happy to help them out. And yes, about my future plan, I don't know what it will be, but I'm planning few stuffs. देखते हैं क्या होगा, like just let's see क्या होते हैं. अगर future में कुछ अच्छा हुआ तो maybe I can be here like sitting with you guys again and talking about it.
I think your confidence and your spontaneity जो कि आपको winning crown, you know, दिलाया था, life में भी आपको ऐसे आगे ले जाए. तो I must tell you, you reigned very beautifully. बहुत अच्छा काम किया आपने within this 1 year. Though most of the time चला गया कोरोना की वजह से, but you did very well. And चलते चलते since Miss Arunachal 2021 is just around the corner, and बहुत सारे लड़कियाँ जो aspiring ये है पेजेंट में पार्टिसिपेट करने वाले हैं, वो आपको देख रहे हैं. Any special message for them?
Okay, yeah, to all the aspirants, let me tell you कि सबसे पहला बात, if you are thinking, क्योंकि audition आने वाला है, that's why I'm telling you this, okay? So आपको अगर लगता है कि अरे यार मेरा बॉडी फिगर ठीक नहीं है, बट आई वांट टू डू दिस, लेकिन मेरा ठीक नहीं है फिगर, आई डोंट नो हम इंग्लिश में ही बोल पाएगा कि नहीं, मेरा इंग्लिश इतना अच्छा होना है क्या. सो ये चीज़ अगर लाइक आपको बहुत सारा सता रहा है ना, ये थॉट्स वगैरह कि अरे मैं तो फेस इतना सुंदर नहीं है, आई डोंट लुक गुड, आई डोंट लुक प्रिटी एंड ऑल. तो गाइज प्लीज़ डोंट स्टॉप योर सेल्फ, ओके? लाइक यू जस्ट नीड टू जस्ट रजिस्टर अ फॉर्म, दैट्स इट. एंड बाकी जो होगा देखा जाएगा. यू विल हैव अ ग्रूमिंग सेशंस, अगर आप सेलेक्ट हो जाते हो तो ग्रूमिंग सेशंस होगा, आप लोगों को सब सिखाया जाएगा. सो इट्स लाइक अ वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी. एंड ऑल्सो अगर आप क्राउनिंग नहीं भी हो तो भी यू विल गेट टू लर्न so many things. अगर if you are like positive in life, I think you should come and learn something, like you know, क्योंकि opportunity and the platform is right there. उसको grab करना, it's your काम ना, कि आपको करना चाहिए वो. So they won't knock at your door and be like, okay ठीक है हम लोग organization लोग कुछ करवा रहे हैं, आ जाओ. They won't do this. आपको grab करना पड़ेगा वो opportunity, and don't try like room पे ऐसे ही पढ़ के रोते मत रो कि okay ठीक है I couldn't do this, I couldn't do that. काश में भी उसके जैसा होता, काश में उसके जैसा. Maybe you are the one. You never know that. So I think you should go and try.
Ma'am, I had a lovely time having this conversation with you. Thank you so much for gracing our interview today, and we wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors. Keep breaking the glass ceilings, and you know, wish you a very, very healthy, successful and beautiful future ahead. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me here, and I have to say that I had an amazing experience.
Thank you so much. And for all the viewers watching this very special interview with the reigning Miss Arunachal, thank you so much for tuning into Capital Digital Cable Network. I hope you enjoyed this interview as much as I did. So stay healthy, stay safe, stay happy, stay beautiful, and keep watching Capital Digital Cable Network.